Good morning from Grand Valley Farm. It's November 8th, 2025. About 10:50 in the morning. We just dropped off the roller tiller. Finally, got it off the tractor. Got the forks back on. I'm gonna move these bins closer to the pins so I can feed out of them. Hopefully it's not all moldy because it's wet. It's 46 degrees and the sun's been out most of the morning. The clouds are starting to cover it up now. Still partially blue sky. Just hoping to dry this place up. Clouds start covering up the sun and temperatures start dropping. Now I'll move this bin here down to the other ones. It's full of canning jars. Well, I'll leave it there until I get some other areas clean. We won't be needing these until next harvest. There's one of the hay bins. I'll move it towards the animals when the other one's empty. The other one's down the lane there. I also got that bin that was full of feed. It's not here no more. It's great to have the forks back on the tractor. Yeah, that's all I'm going to do with the tractor for now. Still move this Jeep and see if anyone's going to use a pressure washer. If not, we're going to go ahead and put it away for the season. What my daughter's doing. I guess she brought me some more dog food. Anyway, I'm going to go see what's happening now, so I'll catch you later.